So we're out here in Midline next to Baybrook Mall, and it's of course Webster, Texas, Houston, Texas, and a lot of people don't get to see this part of the building process. I walk these homes in the framing stage to educate my buyers and also educate me to make sure that, yeah, it's a good home builder, or they do this a little bit better than the other builder. It's an educational process. But hey, it's James Potenza, your Houston area new construction realtor. I do this for all my clients that are looking to relocate to the Houston area or just move across town. And we're in Midline, Webster, Texas, and we're going to be showing you a lot of videos of this. Check out my other video I did to the Welcome Center. This community is so brand new. It's so close to Baybrook Mall, NASA, Clear Lake, and if you work like at Boeing or Lockheed Martin or anything like that, this is the place to be. So let's get started. This is the first of the build stage framing videos. This is a Perry home, and we're just going to walk you through it. So let's get started. Perry Homes, Midline, Webster, Texas. This one is available. The street view. And those are all the model homes. A couple of them are kind of open right now. The Welcome Center is open. That last one on the end is a Highland. I think that's a Perry. Anyway, but if you call me and say, hey, James, I want to come see what's going on out in Midline, or maybe you are looking to relocate here, James, go take a video of that Perry home being built. And here we are. Framing stage. Not a lot of people get to see this, and it shows you the quality and craftsmanship that a builder does, because once they covered up the sheetrock, speaking of which, they're just about to cover it up with sheetrock. Yeah, so once they have the insulation in, it's still a construction site, so it's a mess. But I think usually before they put the sheetrock in, they'll kind of clean everything up so they can restart the next phase. But this one's ready to go for sheetrock. So let's see what Perry's about. So this is basically, it is your kitchen, basically your kitchen. Those right there, that's where you hang your cabinets. It doesn't really support anything going that direction, but just a place to hang your cabinets. Here's your gas line. They put a regulator or something that can measure the pressure. And right now they got it filled up with air, and they'll monitor that to make sure that it doesn't drop. If it does, then you could have a possible leak, and you do not want to have a gas leak. There's a nice shear wall. Anytime you have interior OSB, that's going to be a shear wall, and then they shoot it into the slab, and it makes it super strong in that area. So you'll notice this large beam up there. That beam right there, it's massive. It's called a Versalam. I don't see the actual name brand on it, but it's the same thing. It's laminated wood product, super high pressure, but you need something like that being super strong because you don't have any columns. So you've got to support all that, plus all that up there, plus the roof, and it's got to come down here and drop the load from here on these 2x6s. Nice. So it's got that, and that. Super strong. I've seen Perry build homes. In fact, I've got quite a few videos of Perry homes being built, and they do a superior job. I mean, I'm not kidding when I say superior, because I film a lot of homes in this stage, and man, if it's high on my list, it's got to be good. Ooh, wow. Nice master bedroom. Very nice. Look how high that ceiling is. So yeah, another OSB interior. There's one right there too. And they've shot it. Boom, boom, boom. Got anchors too. Anchor there, shoot it into the concrete. This is still in the master bathroom, closet number 2. And then of course we can walk right through the wall. And this is kind of under the stairs, storage area. No, that's your laundry room. It's a good place. And then you have storage under the stairs. All right, not a lot of people like to spend time in the garage in this stage, but I wanted to show you why I do. I'll step you back here. So obviously you don't have any columns coming down, and that's a 3-car tandem back there. It's gonna be a nice sized garage, but you've got to have massive supports there because you don't have any columns, right? So those beams, and you can see anytime they're doubled up like that, it's holding up the roof. And you can see it's holding up the roof. So you kind of need a little support there, I would think, right? And you can see there's another one holding up the roof, double there. And if they didn't have that covered up, there should be doubled there as well as the other side. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so you get 2, 2, and 2, 2. Comes straight down, and it drops all that load right down to the slab. Nice. Here's a big one. Ooh, we got a big Versalam plus another one connected. Holding up a lot there. Holding up a lot of the roof there. And you've got all the way across. So you basically have 3, and then you got 3 coming down. Drop that load right down to the slab. Here's another. Oh, here's a quadruple. We got 4. I like it. And I like that they have straps on every single one. Straps, clips, whatever you call it. These are your air conditioner lines going out to your condensers, or the AC line, or your compressors. And that basically right there is a nail guard. So they're going to hang sheetrock here, and they don't want to be poking holes in your air conditioner lines. So they put nail guards. There's another nail guard. Here's your electrical box. So nail guard up there. Don't want nails in your electrical. Should be a ground wire around here somewhere. It might be outside. Or not a ground wire. Oh, here it is. Ground rod. So that sticks way into the ground, and then it clamps onto this, and this basically grounds the electrical box and anything else you want grounded. Why do they call it a ground rod? Pop quiz. Tankless water heater. Shear wall. You'll hear me talk a lot about shear walls. I love them. There's an electrical outlet. But they have to follow a specific nail schedule to make this work, and then they have to shoot it into the concrete. It's done on the other side. Yeah, this home is available. Say, hey James, I like that Perry home, and look me up, give me a call, email me, whatever. And ooh, look how high that ceiling is. Yep, this is definitely a Perry. But if you want to find out what homes are available to move in, and I don't know the floor plan of this right now, sorry, I can maybe find out and put it down in the description. But yeah, let's go upstairs. Let me pause you. Okay. Yeah, but I can find out what floor plan this is, or what floor plans Perry Homes has. Available if you want a quick move in, which a lot of times, depending on your schedule, for a move in, could be the best way to go. And of course, if you want to build from the ground up, I can certainly help you with that. Everything from lot selection, elevation options, structural options you pick out at the sales office. So this is your media room. Nice. Air conditioning, duct work. A lot of people say duct. I still do too. It's actually duct with a T. That's your cables coming in for your entertainment center. Looks like a bunch of Cat 5 and Cat 6. It's dropped through that conduit. Nice. So yeah, nice media room. Nice little bedroom with those windows. That's pretty cool. Plus you get that window there. Yeah, they are just about ready to sheetrock. Good sized closet. So when you're building a home, or a couple of different scenarios, if you're building a home or if you picked up an inventory home that's pretty much in this stage, which you can do, this one's available. You're going to want to get your third-party inspection. Extremely important. Of course, I'll be out here with the inspector who will go over the inspection report, send it to the construction manager, and they'll fix everything. Yeah, so Perry Homes in Midline, Webster, Texas. It's a Houston area suburb. If you're relocating to the Houston area, or even if you're just buying across town and maybe want an upgrade on a brand new home, check out Midline. You definitely want to check this out, but you're going to want to first give me a call so I can represent your best interests. James Potenza, your Houston area new construction realtor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.